Welcome to Section 1, the e-commerce boom, your ticket to growth. The internet has truly changed everything, and shopping is no exception. E-commerce is booming, and it shows no signs of slowing down. This is fantastic news for small businesses. You now have a golden opportunity to reach more customers online. Forget about geographical limits. With e-commerce, the world is your marketplace. Whether you're selling handmade crafts or digital services, the potential is enormous. Get ready to scale your business in ways you never imagined. Think of e-commerce as leveling the playing field. Small businesses can now compete with big brands. How, you might ask? By offering unique products and exceptional customer service. The key is to stand out. Don't be afraid to showcase your brand's personality. Connect with customers on a personal level. This is how you build a loyal following online. Remember, e-commerce is not just about selling products. It's about building relationships. It's about creating an experience for your customers. And it's about constantly evolving to meet their changing needs. Are you ready to embrace the e-commerce revolution? Let's dive in. Now let's explore Section 2, riding the wave top trends shaping online success. The world of e-commerce is always changing. Staying ahead of the curve is crucial for success. One major trend is the rise of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is making shopping smarter and more personalized. Imagine chatbots answering customer questions around the clock, or personalized product recommendations based on browsing history. That's the power of AI. Another significant trend is the demand for sustainable shopping. Consumers are becoming more eco-conscious. They want to know where their products come from and how they're made. Highlighting your brand's commitment to sustainability is a smart move. Use eco-friendly packaging. Offer carbon-neutral shipping options. These small changes can make a big difference. Mobile shopping is also on the rise. People are using their smartphones to browse and buy more than ever before. Is your website mobile-friendly? It needs to be. Make sure the checkout process is seamless on all devices. Speed is key. A slow-loading website will send customers running to your competitors. Moving on to Section 3, winning strategies, from clicks to loyal customers. Now that you know the trends, let's talk strategy. Social media is your best friend. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to showcase your products. Create engaging content that stops people from scrolling. Run contests and giveaways. Collaborate with influencers. Make social media a key part of your sales funnel. Your website is your online storefront. Make it count. Invest in professional design. Make sure it's easy to navigate. High-quality product photos are a must. Don't forget clear product descriptions and customer reviews. Remember, your website should be a reflection of your brand. Once you've made the sale, your job isn't over. Customer retention is key. Offer loyalty programs and exclusive discounts to repeat customers. Provide excellent customer service. Respond to inquiries promptly. Make your customers feel valued and appreciated. Section 4, real-world triumphs, e-commerce success stories. Let's look at some real-world examples. Take the fashion brand Everlane. They've built a loyal following by being transparent about their pricing and manufacturing processes. Or consider Glossier, the beauty brand that's mastered the art of social media marketing. They've built a community around their products. These brands are proof that you don't need a huge budget to succeed in e-commerce. Another great example is Warby Parker. They disrupted the eyewear industry by offering affordable, stylish glasses online. Their try-at-home program was a game changer. These brands all have one thing in common. They understand their target audience. They know what their customers want, and they deliver it. Remember, success in e-commerce doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to adapt. But the rewards are worth it. With the right strategies in place, you can achieve incredible growth. So what are you waiting for? Section 5, your action plan. Turn insights into profits. It's time to take action. Start by reviewing your current e-commerce strategy. Are you leveraging the latest trends? Is your website optimized for conversions? Are you actively engaging with your customers on social media? Be honest with yourself. Identify areas where you can improve. Next, create an action plan. Prioritize the changes that will have the biggest impact on your bottom line. Set realistic goals and deadlines. Don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies. What works for one business may not work for another. The key is to find what works best for you. Remember, e-commerce is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about constantly learning and evolving. Stay curious, stay adaptable, and most importantly, stay focused on your customers. They are the heart of your business. Section 6. The future is now. Embrace e-commerce and thrive. The future of commerce is digital. By embracing e-commerce, you're not just keeping up with the times, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. The opportunities are limitless. Don't let them pass you by. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. There are countless resources available to help you succeed. From online courses to industry events, seek out knowledge and support. Connect with other entrepreneurs. Learn from their experiences. Celebrate your successes and learn from your mistakes. The world of e-commerce is waiting for you. Go out there and make your mark.